Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your server runs and you can edit resources. Permissions must allow file rights. Next, install or confirm core libs like auxlib or qbcore because the admin menu depends on shared exports. Once done, create a new resource directory and add fx manifest. Lua with correct server/client declarations. You'll also scaffold client, Lua and server, Lua or JS files so you have a place to register commands and events. This gets us into implementing the menu. Now you implement the core. Register an admin command and gate it with ACE or your framework's permissions system so only allowed users open the menu. Then, on the client, create UI triggers and a keybind to open the menu. Link buttons to server callbacks that run admin actions like teleport, kick, or give items. Make sure to use exports or networked events to fetch live player lists, identifiers, and coordinates because the menu needs current state to work reliably. Finish by adding server-side validation for each admin route so you verify permissions and inputs before executing actions. This prevents exploits. Then add logging for audits and tidy up event listeners when the resource stops to avoid leaks. Test thoroughly with a test admin and a regular player, exercising teleport, freeze, and kick. If something fails, check the server console for missing exports or resource start errors, and make sure FX manifest dependencies match installed versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.